How to turn off location on Facebook. So at first you will have to firstly open the Facebook app with your account. So simply you have to open the Facebook, and after this you will have to click on this three line just at the top right corner of the screen. And from here you will have to scroll down and go with the options setting and privacy, and then settings. Alright, so from here in this search field you will have to search for permissions. Okay, so after you search it, you will got options like device permissions. So you have to click on this option. Okay, so from here you will have to choose the options like location. So you have to click on this see info. Okay, so now from here you will have to go the options update settings. Okay, so now from here open device settings. Okay, so again from here you will have to go the options permissions. And now from here you will have to go the options location, and from here you will have to go the options like don't allow. So simply have to check it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the simplest method to turn off the location on Facebook. So likewise you can also turn off the location permission on Facebook. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more such tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.